Welcome to another episode of A Week in My Life. If you're new here, I'm Doc K and I recently moved here in Eastern Summer to be an RHU doctor. Here's how my week usually goes. It's Sunday and we're going to my workmate's son in Canabong kasi magsa-celebrate siya ng birthday. Thanks Ma'am Aina for the invite and happy birthday, Thor! Ayan, tapos uminom kami ng tuba kasi yan yung business ng family nila. We then went to the vet afterwards kasi due na ng shots ni Bailey. She's so behaved here. She's so cute. Ang dali niyang dalhin sa motor, hindi siya naglilikot-likot kahit ang layo ng binabiyahe namin minsan. Tapos inuwi lang namin siya and then nag-walking ako sa baybay. I always make it a point to work out, especially on weekends. I like walking and people watching here. Meron din mga nagsisurf, may mga families na tumatambay dito. That's why I like this place so much. Ayan, I'm almost done with my walk. And then I saw this very cute dog playing alone sa grass. So cute! And then nag-snack lang kami ng isaw, tapos umuwi na ulit kami niyan. It's Monday and it's work day again. So I usually just eat bread and yogurt. Today, meron kaming ganap kasi pinapunta kami sa bloodletting activity ng Eastern Summer Provincial Hospital. So nag-motorcade lang to start the event. Tapos inikot namin sa May City. Ayan, yung mga kasabay namin, mga nurses and staff ng ESPH. After the motorcade, bumalik na ulit kami sa Capitol Gym. Nag-screen kami ng mga magdodonate ng blood. And then, I went home kasi I'm very excited to unbox this package. Bumili ako ng parang string lights, fairy lights, whatever. It's 48 feet and I'm very excited kasi ilalagay ko siya dito sa garage para maliwanag pag may guests. And then, bumili lang kami saglit ng drinks. Bumalik ulit kami ng Capitol Gym. Nung tapos na yung work, nanood lang kami ng basketball. It's the next day and nag-walking ulit ako sa baybay before work. I walked for about 30 minutes sa baybay pero umuwi na rin ako kasi medyo mainit na yung araw. And then, I tried squeezing some Pilates pag uwi ko pero pagod na ako. So, I watched a movie instead before preparing for work again. And then, that's it. Andito na ulit ako sa health center. Let's go. Let's start the Monday. After 5 p.m., uwian na ulit. So, tapos na yung araw namin. Tinamad na kami magluto. Wala pa kami masyadong grocery. So, nag-noodles na lang ako. And here are my babies. So cute! The next day, nagluto lang kami for brunch. And then, we headed to the health center again. Medyo maraming tao, even if it's a Tuesday. Nag-coffee break lang ko saglit. Tapos, nagtatawag na ulit ako ng patient. Here are my coworkers. Once or twice a week, we order something from Harampangan or yung FB group dito na puro food. Tapos nag-food trip lang kami habang nagkakape pag wala ng patients. And tapos na ulit yung araw. I'm sorry, medyo nawala yung ibang clips ko kaya very short lang yung ibang videos dito. One of the things I loved since nag-move ako dito sa Eastern Summer is sobrang ganda talaga ng place. Parang kahit pauwi ka lang from work or papunta ka ng work, ang ganda ng tanawin, puro trees and puro dagat yung kita mo, which is very different from my life back in Manila. And again, I watched a basketball game. Basketball nila na kumain lang kami saglit sa Jollibee. Hindi ko masyadong bet yung burger. Sakto lang siya. Ang ganda ng moon nung pauwi na kami. Sayang hindi siya masyadong kita sa phone ko. I was rushing home again kasi I'm very excited to unbox this lamp. Ito yung mushroom lamp na nabili ko sa Shopee. Parang 1.6 yata siya or 1.7. Pero sobrang sulit niya. It's one of my favorite purchases recently talaga kasi nakakaganda siya ng kwarto, parang social. And then here's me, papasok ulit ng work. This time, magtutuli lang kami sa morning. So, I'm headed to the barangay. I got there early. Nakapila pa lang yung mga batang tutulian namin. Here are my nurses and the midwives na kasama ko. So yan, nagtatawag na kami ng mga bata sa labas. The parents are very supportive. Sinasamahan nila yung mga bata nila. And then ayan, kumakain na kami nung natapos na tulian lahat. Sobrang daming food. And sobrang sarap talaga ng mga pagkain na prepare nila sa amin kada konsulta or tuli namin. And then nung afternoon, wala nang konsulta. We tried going to the Ganap Cave. Medyo nawala kami on the way. And then, once we were there, wala palang tubig. Medyo dry. Merong tubig dun sa may cave, but hindi ko na in-include yung clips kasi hindi siya masyadong maganda. I'll go back there kapag after siguro umulan para sure na merong tubig na ulit dun sa cave. Na-enjoy ko talaga yung papunta and pabalik from Ganap Cave kasi ang ganda ng mga tanawin. I also saw some kids playing outside which made me happy talaga kasi alam mo yung mga bata ngayon, most of them just enjoy playing with their iPads. And then, we went home, tapos nanood kami ng Conjuring, yung The Red Door. Okay lang siya. Maganda, pero hindi siya masyadong scary for me, unlike yung mga previous Conjuring na movies. Tapos, ayan, I just applied some skincare. Ayan, ang cute ng lamp, diba? And then, we were snacking on the grapes that we got from the grocery. It's the next day again, and I'm starting my day with this coffee. Gusto ko tong flavor na to sa latte. Para siyang yung XO na candy, pero hindi siya super tamis. I like it. Mabango din siya. Tapos, medyo matapang. Konsulta lang ako today sa health center. So, ayan, papunta na ako. Naglalakad na ako. After that, umuwi na ako ng lunch para pahiin yung dog ko. After magkonsulta, nag-dinner lang ako dito sa may baybay, yung bulalo nila. Masarap yung bulalo dito sa Daigupan. Hindi rin siya sobrang mahal. And then, we went home. Ang ganda ng moon, pauwi na kami. Pero again, hindi siya masyadong kita sa camera ko. In real life, very yellow talaga yung moon. Tapos nung papahinga na kami, nag-brown out. Medyo madalas nag-brown out last week, parang mga 3 to 4 times. The next day, it was my Lola's birthday and we were very excited for her. My mom ordered a money cake. Kaya very happy kami sa kanya kasi hindi naman niya alam yun. Ayun. Tapos we sent some videos to my cousins and my aunties sa Manila. Ayan. Imot-imot lang ako dyan. Yung mga pinsan ko dito sa Samar, nag-inuman lang kami. Mga 1 a.m. na yata kami nakatulog nun. Kasi ang daming bisita, ang daming pagkain. Ayan. Ang ganda talaga dito. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if you want a vlog with a voiceover or not. Bye guys!